National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northern Jackson County, Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m. Severe the National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County moving east at 50 miles per hour. Jefferson County in south central Illinois includes 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been 47 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Chicago to Rocky Ridge, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. These storms have a history of widespread wind damage across parts of Missouri and Illinois. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and buildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, New Colling, Paytonville, Grand Lake, Area 57 in Illinois between mile markers 87 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 Campbell Hill, Vergennes, Nasson, and St. John's. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 87 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 82. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in Illinois, Jackson and Perry,